Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Kim and this is our channel, me and my mom's channel, Blessed Depressed Creations. Welcome, and I hope you stay and subscribe and continue on our journey with us. I just wanted to come and say thank you to everyone who has been subscribed for now a year since we launched Blessed Depressed, and all of our new subscribers that we've gotten over the time. And it's just been so amazing to see so many of you just come and flock to our channel and comment and engage and, you know, compliment us on what we've been putting out. So this is finally here, the announcement of the winners of our giveaway. We do apologize that it took us so long to get here. Life definitely got in the way of everything that we've been trying to do. But that's neither here nor there. We're finally here, and I'm happy to announce that we have 4 winners for our giveaway. I think in my other one I said there was only going to be 2, but me and Mom really wanted to bless as many people as we could, and so 4 people. These 4 were the first people to comment their hearts and answer our questions. That was the instructions of the giveaway, that you had to answer some questions, comment the 2 purple hearts, and all that good stuff. So these were the first 4 people to do that. And so I'm just going to pop your name on the screen. So if you're listening, would you please look at the screen? Our first winner is Marquita, Carr. And we are going to be giving each winner one specific item that we felt like would benefit them. I remember Marquita commenting about how she really wanted to get into journal making. So Mom and I decided that we were going to give you your own journal. And Mom is going to be making that. I believe it's going to be a resin journal. Don't quote me on that though. Our next winner is Bridgett. We're going to be doing a personalized mask and tumbler in honor of your service. Thank you very much. The next winner is Justin. I'll put your name on the screen here. You just said that you didn't really care to, get you something nice. So we decided that we were going to do a resin keychain for you. And then our last winner is Paulyn Styles. We decided to go and give you a Visa gift card, and we'll discuss the amount over email. So if you wouldn't mind, all of you guys can email us at bpcreations03@gmail.com. Again, it's B as in boy, P as in parrot, creations03@gmail.com, and it'll be on the screen and in the description below. And I'll be messaging you guys personally in the comments to tell you and remind you to please email us with your address so that we can get your gifts shipped out to you. Thank you guys so much again for following the instructions of our giveaway. Thank you to our new subscribers, all of you who have subscribed, all of you who have stayed subscribed, and I hope to see you guys in more giveaways that we plan on doing in the future. Thank you guys for pushing us to this milestone, and have a blessed night.